friends, it's Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com, and we have learned how to knit in both the Continental and the English styles. The next stitch that you need to learn is the purl stitch, which is really just kind of an inside out or backwards knit stitch. Without further ado, my hands! Let's purl!
Go through the right hand side of the stitch in the front of the work. So you want your yarn in the front, go through the right hand side of the stitch and wrap the yarn over the top of the needle and pull the stitch through. Yarn in front, go through the right hand side of the stitch, yarn goes over the top and pull it through. Yarn in front, go through the right hand side of the stitch, wrap between the stitches and across the bottom and pull it out. Yarn in front, go through the right hand side of the stitch, yarn goes in between the two stitches across the top, pull your stitch through and out.